How to check if your iPhone is original or fake. There are two easy ways to check this. Let's start with the first one. Method 1. Check the model number. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General, then tap About. Here you'll see all your iPhone details. Look for the model number. Now pay attention to the first letter of that model number. If it starts with M, your iPhone is brand new, purchased from Apple online or in store. If it starts with F, the device is refurbished by Apple. If it starts with N, it's a replacement iPhone provided by Apple due to an issue. That's the first check. Method 2. Check the serial number, stay on the same About page, and copy the serial number. Now open Safari and search for checkcoverage.apple.com. Once the page opens, paste the serial number and tap Submit. Here, Apple will show you your iPhone's purchase details, warranty, and coverage information. If the details appear correctly, your iPhone is original. And that's it. Two simple checks to make sure your iPhone is real. Follow for more useful tech tips.